Okay, volume up and play. Wow. And the bass is phenomenal. Wow.
Notice the global shift to standardized USB-C ports in smartphones and smart devices? It's time to reconsider wired earphones for uncompressed, high-quality audio without the need for charging. Introducing HiD's ST2 Nebula. Driven by the ESS DAC chip, it delivers top-tier audio quality and high sampling rates, rivaling any mainstream DAC while remaining portable and simple. Nebula is compatible with all USB-C devices, as well as the iPhone 15 and 16 series, delivering powerful performance directly without audio compromise. Simply plug and play to unlock high-res MQA formats from any music app effortlessly, without any settings. HiD's customized 10mm dual magnetic circuit dynamic drivers and PU plus PEEK diaphragm capture the finest audio details. Enhance resolution and clarity with zero delay using a high-end oxygen-free copper cable, 10% lighter than PU coating to ensure superior performance. Swap any standard detachable IEMs to fit HiD's USB-C cable, catering to various IEMs and headphones. ST2 Nebula. Unlock 2-in-1 innovation, high-performance DAC and USB-C HiFi digital in-earphones. Its lightweight ergonomic design ensures hours of fatigue-free listening with no external noise. Tuned by H2019, ST2 meets high-res standards with balanced sound, powerful bass, rich mids, and extended highs. Designed for audiophiles, music lovers, and gamers who prioritize every millisecond and high-resolution note. Whether it's outdoor sports, creative inspiration, gaming entertainment, or simply enjoying genuine music, the HiD's ST2 Nebula is definitely trustworthy.